everyone, it's Larry here and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll show you guys how you could achieve Kendall Jenner nails just like this, but obviously my nails are far more prettier than that, as you could clearly tell.
Of course, I'm not claiming that my nails look like that, and certainly not claiming that you'll get Kendall Jenner nails right after watching this video.
So you will see how you could achieve something very similar with your own natural nails if you do follow the steps that I show you guys. So without any further ado, let's get into the video.
Wherever you go, I'm going with you, babe. Going with you, babe. Wheeling up my stool, I definitely.
So now I'll finish everything off with the Revlon Colorstay Gel and Diamond Top Coat. It's literally my favorite top coat out there. It dries like gel nail polish without having to cure it, which is amazing. And just look at it, like.
Oh my god, it's so thick, it's so glossy, it's so.
Anyways, so that's really pretty much it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Also, this is just inspired by Kendall Jenner. It's like you could chill in the comments section. Also, this is what my nails used to look like. It took me about let's say 3 months to grow them out fully to this length. So just be patient if you're growing out your nails. If you are trying to grow them out, please stay away from nail cutters. If you are a nail biter, do not bite your nails. Try not to. There's a whole bunch of videos for that. If you really want to grow out your nails, you just have to be patient. Like, patience is key. I really didn't do anything. People keep asking me, how do they not break? Just do the stuff I did and it would literally make your nails harder. I swear my nails are brittle, like very, very brittle. It's so thin, but because of what I've been doing lately, it started to become stronger. Wow, strong is beautiful.
I'm a bad liar.